Best way to eat coconut. Try to eat coconut raw, and there is also frozen coconut available in grocery stores that are fresh and healthy. Coconut is rich in fiber and has a number of benefits like improved heart health, weight loss, and so on. People mostly take it before sleeping and it enhances the level of cholesterol. It is a versatile food. People also add coconut milk and cream. People also enjoy their food in coconut oil or add dried coconut to their desserts. It is taken less in quantity as it has fats. Coconut is also taken early in the morning, which improves our immunity. Coconut water also helps in weight loss and it also great for post-workout exercise that brings back energy. They are rich flavors in soups, sauces, stir fries, and baked goods. People save coconut water to drink or can also be added to smoothies. The fresh coconut is stored in the fridge and they are also placed in airtight plastic containers. We can also shred the coconut that can be preheated in the oven and toasted for 10 minutes and until it is brown, which can be added to yogurt, salad, cereal, ice cream, and other snacks. Olive oil can be replaced by coconut oil, which will metabolize fast in the body. Coconut milk is used in soups and it is vegan friendly that adds creaminess to the soup without making it heavy. It is also great for shrimp or chicken. Coconut is a key ingredient in many dishes from all over the world. Preheat the oven for the dessert. Take a large bowl and add 1 can of condensed milk, 3 eggs, and coconut milk, 1 cup of milk, 2 cups shredded coconut. Pour the mixture and bake it for 25 minutes. The coconut cake is ready to eat that is healthy and tasty.